It's that time of year, and of course you want to make a great cranberry sauce. So how about Kaleb's Cranberry Marmalade? You'll need cranberries, an orange, honey, and a cinnamon stick. The first thing you're going to do is peel your orange. You can use a vegetable peeler. Go ahead and take off the entire rind or the peel. And once you have that removed, we're going to thinly slice it, and then we will continue to chop it up finely. I love a bit of orange rind in a recipe, but you certainly don't want a large bite. So you want to chop it quite finely. And then once you're through chopping the rind, we'll go ahead and juice the orange. The recipe calls for a half of a cup of orange juice. So if your orange does not yield a half a cup, you'll need to peel and juice another fresh orange, or obviously you could use reconstituted orange juice. Then we're going to take a small saucepan and we will add the cranberries. You can use, again, fresh or frozen, whichever you can find or you desire. Half a cup or 4 ounces of the orange juice, half a cup or 4 ounces of honey, the rind of the orange, and 1 cinnamon stick. And if you don't have that, you can use a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Stir well and bring to a boil. They will start to pop and crack, and you'll want to turn the heat down and get the lid on quickly. Simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, and this is the result. You can go ahead and fish out that cinnamon stick, and you're ready to serve when it's warm, or you can always reheat this later if you want to put it in the refrigerator for a day or two. Serve it up in a nice dish, and it is a great complement to your turkey, ham, pork, any poultry. Just delicious. You will love it.